It is high time we took a closer look at the 2025 Toyota Hiace High Roof, a van designed to meet the modern needs of the users rather effectively. We are powering it with a vigorous 2.8-liter turbo diesel engine, which delivers smooth power and good fuel economy. Whether you are going for a long or short trip with pickups and drops, the manual and auto transmission is the customized drive for every individual. The exterior design reflects the flexibility of the car and its appearance. The Hiace has the traditional boxy look of company buses, but it is tricked up with modern features such as LED headlights and an attractive grille. Older models sport large sliding doors that facilitate easy loading and unloading of passengers or cargo, while modern models incorporate easy-to-open sliding doors. Conventional steel used in the manufacture of wheels enables the van to perform optimally on different terrains. On the inside, it returns comfort and flexibility. Its great and spacious interior provides enough leg and head space for up to 13 passengers and is suitable for the family as well as for commercial purposes. An adjustable climate control system for both the front and rear passengers means that everyone will always be comfortable, no matter the weather outside. Also, it boasts an infotainment system, creating more comfort than just practicality. Just like all Toyota vehicles, the 2025 Hiace comes with a long list of safety features that are compulsory by car manufacturers. This accompanies facilities such as adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assistance. Everyone on board will feel safe. Its driving posture is high, and when you negotiate the car, you have a wide visibility of the surrounding environment, a less blind zone. Nothing is fitting better than this when it comes to the pricing of the Hiace, running from an entry-level model, well-equipped, at the competitive price level. For those who wish for the trims to be a little more luxurious, these trims here come readily equipped with premium features and features that include digitized surroundings for anyone willing to pay the extra amount. As a commercial vehicle or consumer vehicle for business or family purposes, or a shuttle service provider, the 2025 Toyota Hiace High Roof is one vehicle for the job. This proves that it is very reliable as it can be used in almost any situation. Plus, performance, space, and safety are not compromised by style. Feel free to comment and provide your opinion, and we'd love to know which feature caught your attention most. Do a like button and subscribe to my channel.